Let me tell you this, being cheated on is not a reflection of your worth. You are not less of a woman because of his choice. If you're watching this, maybe you've gone through it. Maybe you're going through it now. Or maybe you're scared your mind. In the next few minutes, we will unpack the pain, the confusion, and the choices you have so that no matter what, you come out stronger. You come out braver because you are enough and you can handle this. Welcome back to Mira TV, where we talk about real relationship tips. Your number one TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you always hear from us when we have something to talk about. Number one thing, you have to acknowledge the pain. When betrayal hits, the first instinct is often denial. Some women brush it off. Others break down. Some even blame themselves. Let yourself feel it. Cry if you need to. Write it down. Scream into a pillow. Pretending it doesn't hurt doesn't make you strong. It just makes the wound deeper. I once spoke with a woman who found out about her husband's affair and said, "I didn't even cry for a week. I just went numb. 6 months later, the tears came like a flood." Pain ignored doesn't disappear. It just waits. So when you're postponing it, don't think you're done. It's not gonna let you be. It's gonna come back very heavily and may break you that time. Number two, don't blame yourself. Of course not. A cheating husband will sometimes say, "You weren't there for me. Oh, you've changed." But hear me, none of that excuses betrayal. He could have communicated it. He could have asked for counseling. Choosing another woman was his decision, not your decision, not your cause. So don't carry it. Don't carry the weight of his failure. You are not the reason he cheated. Number three, get the facts. Don't be so timid and short-sighted. In the norm of emotions, romance, and half-truth can make things worse. Make sure you investigate. Was it a one-night stand? Was it ongoing? Was it emotional, physical, or both? Make sure you know the truth. A friend once thought her husband was just texting another woman. Later, she discovered it had gone much deeper. Having the facts gave her clarity, not confusion. Don't become obsessed with every detail, but know enough to make informed choices. Yes. Step number 4, the confrontation. Sitting down with a cheating husband takes courage. Here's what to remember. Don't yell. Stay calm. Anger may feel powerful, but calmness gives you control. Ask, why did you do this? Do you want this marriage? Do you want this relationship? Watch not just what he says, but how he acts. Real remorse looks like responsibility, not excuses. Step number 5, decide if you can rebuild. This is where you face the hardest truth. Do you want to work on the marriage, or do you want to walk away? Rebuilding takes counseling. It takes time. It takes him proving through actions, not just word that he is changed. Walking away takes courage, but sometimes peace is worth more than history. I know women who stay and rebuild stronger marriages. I also know women who love and said, "That's the best decision I ever made." Both are valid. Just ask yourself, because you know yourself better, what decision will fit me? Or what am I capable to do? Number 6, protect your self-worth. Cheating has a way of making you question everything. Your beauty, your body, your value. But listen, none of that changed because of him. Take care of yourself. Go for a walk. Join a class. Pour into your passions. Surround yourself with friends who remind you of who you are. You are not just someone's wife. You are a whole person with dreams, gifts, and worth, talents, everything to build with brain. Step number 7, healing is a process. There is no fast forward button on healing. Some days you feel strong, some days you want to crawl back into the bed. Therapy, journaling, prayers, meditation. Find what heals your soul. Don't measure your healing by someone else's timeline. Healing isn't about getting over it, it's about rebuilding you. Number 8, focus on your future. No matter what you decide, to stay or to leave, think about your future. Think about the children. Think of your happiness. What do you want? What kind of love do you want to experience? What kind of example do you want to see set for your children? If you have them, what kind of peace do you want to wake up to every morning? Don't just survive betrayal. Build a future that feels safe, that feels strong and joyful again. My final words. Women, be strong. So how do you deal with a cheating husband? By honoring your pain, refusing to carry his blame, getting clarity, having the heart talk, and then choosing what restores your peace. Ladies, you are not less because of his actions. You are strong, you are valuable, and you are worthy of a love that is loyal. So don't let somebody tell you something else. Drop a comment in below if you are a woman who has experienced betrayal. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira's TV. If it's this Facebook, go to YouTube and subscribe to Mira's TV, where you're gonna like, share, and comment and share your stories for others to learn. Thank you for your loyalty, for your care and kindness. It's your girl, Mira's TV. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.